Hi, hello guys. Yan. Magsisittings kami. Say hi. You see my cam? Inside video. Magsittings. First day. Friday after Ramadan. So, back to you to normal. Ano siya guys? Ayan. Kita niyo ba? Paano to? Ayan siya, nagsisitting siya. Hello guys, good afternoon dito sa Saudi. Yan. After Ramadan, so back to normal. Yan siya guys, yung first family gathering. Dakji family. Ito yung na-serve. Ito lang. Fish. Yan siya. Hey guys.
I'm okay. It's just I'm scared. My lungs are so bad. I'm scared to get sick again. When I get sick, it affects me really badly. I'm doing it to protect myself. I'll kiss the back of your head.
This is why the baby was there to protect the
Yeah, of course. It's scary though. Yeah.
the kidney, that is
Assalamualaikum, my darling Farida.
Okay, I want to vote. I want to vote.
Alhamdulillah.
Niligo ako yung baho-baho ko. Ito na, lagay mo. Huwag mo na akong kukuha na mukha akong dumiyot.